Life is like a book. Each day is a new page. Some pages are happy, some are sad, but all are part of your story. You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start today and write a better ending. Keep turning the pages. Your best chapter might be next. Don't let one bad page stop your story. You are the writer, so choose hope, courage, and love. Every word you live is part of something beautiful. Even broken pages can lead to a beautiful ending. Believe in the story only you can write.